We've built into Gorilla subscription management tools. If you are the manager of a subscription, so your institution has a subscription to Gorilla with multiple users on it, and you're the manager, you'll have this additional access point here from the dashboard that says bulk subscription management. When you click on this, you'll be able to see how many accounts there are on your subscription, so that's how many people have signed up, and how many participants they have run. To invite new people to the subscription, you click on this Invite to Subscription button. And here there are two different options. You can invite an individual, you type in their name, you type in their email address, and then you'd press Send Invite. Alternatively, rather than inviting an individual, you can invite a bulk of people. This can be particularly useful at the beginning of the academic year when you want to invite a cohort of students. To invite a bulk list, you should first download this example file and then complete the email and the name fields. The name field would be just their name, so first name space surname, and their email address will be their institutional email address. And then the details are here. Gorilla will check if the email address matches an existing user. If it does, it will add them to the subscription. If it doesn't, Gorilla will also send them an invitation to sign up to Gorilla. Gorilla will ignore email addresses that correspond to existing users on the subscription. So you can create one file at the beginning of the year and upload it more than once if you wanted to. This is what the CSV file would look like. Names in one column, email addresses in the other column. The final thing that you can do from the subscription management panel is to download metrics associated with your subscription. This can be particularly useful at the end of the year. And it will show you how much each person on the subscription has used Gorilla. So these are the names of the people on the Cauldron staff subscription, their join date, their last login date, we're all using it fairly recently, total logins, total commits, total participants run, so I'm by far the person who's run the most participants, and then other more detailed information. If you've got any questions with using the subscription management panel, or you'd like us to add new features to it, please get in touch.